So this is going to be a quick video helping you to make sure that we open Unity right, for you to practice creating a new project, and to make sure that we save the project where we want it and open it correctly. Essential for us to be able to working on our projects during the school year is that we set them up and know where they are. So the first thing we're doing, of course, is opening up the Unity Hub, which is right here. Once you open up the hub, it's going to open up and look like this. Okay? So we are going to open up a new project. So we would click on New Project. And in fact, let's just close this. So we click on the hub. And when we open up our new project, we're going to make sure that we choose 2D or 3D. We may eventually go into some VR stuff, but right now we're going to just choose between these two. Most of our projects are going to be 3D. We're going to have the Z space. So you would choose this. Let's make sure you have 2022.3 up here. So we're choosing 3D. We're choosing the version of Unity. And this is the most important thing. We just don't let Unity put it where they want to. So you're going to go to this PC. Let's say it's closed. So let's open it right here. Documents. And you're going to create a new folder. So mine, I've already created it, Unity 2024-25. You can just call it Unity Projects, whatever you want. But you're going to create that new folder, and then you're going to choose it for your project. Then you're going to give your project a name. So version of Unity, 3D, 2D. Make sure you put it where it should go, and then give it a name, like a 3D shooter game, whatever. And then we create it. Okay, it's going to take a little while to create. Once we do, it's going to open up and look like this. So, scene view, game view. Notice all it has in the sample view is the main camera and a directional light. So when you start creating stuff, start putting some cubes inside there, etc., you're going to have to make sure you save a scene when your work's done. So let's say, let me put a color on this. So let's say I right click here, create new folder, and it's called materials. So I'm going to open that folder, double click on it. I'm going to right click, create material, and I'm going to click up here. Let's say I call it blue. I'm going to click up here. I'm going to find the blue I want, and once I find it, I got to choose it in here. I'm going to choose that. So find it on the wheel, then choose it, click on it. Notice it's blue. Then we just drag it on. Okay? Now, if I don't save the scene, nothing's going to happen. So I would come up here, File Save As, go to my Scenes folder, and type in blue. Or blue material, or sign material, whatever you want to call it. Save it. Now, let's go to my assets. Let's go to the Scenes folder. Notice we're going to create a folder for everything we do, too. But Scenes folder. So, if you've saved nothing, this is what you're going to have. You're going to come in and say, Mr. G, I don't got anything. Well, you didn't save anything. So now I can go to my level 2, which is a cube, level 1, which is a cube, but my blue is a cube that's in blue. And so I can go to this scene and continue on with it. If I'm going to make some massive changes, I would save and would not save over this scene. If I do a bunch of stuff in here, or save this scene and create a new scene. So File, New Scene, give it a name, then I can screw around all I want to, but it won't affect my other games. So take your time, make sure you practice this a couple times. I'm going to test you on it because it's essential we start off building a project the correct way and understand the software.